Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. And let's try to understand how to generate a dual combination chart in Tableau. For this, we will go in the environment of Tableau. In case of Tableau, the variables are divided into two sections. This is the section of dimension. Basically, dimensions are those variables which are categorical in nature. And this is the zone of measures. Measures are those variables which are continuous in nature. So, for dual combination chart, let us click here. And what is a requirement? Let us see. It requires two measure and one dimension. You can see here, it requires two measure and one dimension. Then only it will plot the dual charts. So I'll pick up sales from here, profit from here, and let us pick up one more, and that is order date from here. Order date. For multiple selections of the variable, you can do with the help of Control Tab on your keyboard. Now drag it and drop it in the canvas. Now activate this and your dual combination chart is ready. But there are some changes also which we can do. For example, y-axis represents the profit here. I want to make it sales. Very simple. Drag it and drop it here and now it is sales. So now the bar represents, that is a line represents the sales and the bar represents the profit. See, from here you will be able to understand. So line is sales and bar is profit. Now if I want to convert this bar chart which is for profit also into the line, you can do it. It is very simple. See, your mark, go in the mark section, it will have a all. So when you will activate anything from all, it will be applicable on all the combinations which are there. It will be applicable on sales and profit. But you want to only do the changes in the in sales or profit, that you can do with the help of this this marks, that is a marks for sales and marks for profit. Okay, I want to convert this profit which is in bar chart into the line chart. I'll click here and activate the line chart, and line chart is ready. Now I want to convert this sales into the bar chart. I'll click here, activate the bar chart from here, and you can see the bar chart is ready. Now you can click on size, click activate the manual, and you can adjust the size depending upon your requirement. What is your requirement? So you can adjust the size also from here. Let us keep the thick bar chart. I'll explain the reason for this. Now if I want to include one more dimension, so the options which are available are, I can drop it in the color, and you can see here that now my bar gets divided into three different colors. Red color is for home office, orange color is for corporate, and blue is for consumer. So I can drop the segment in color. I can also drop the segment in size. So this option is also available. I can pick up the segment and I can drop it in the labels also. If I want to change the orientation, I will go here, I will click on alignment, and I will make this text vertical. Quite good. Now, another option which is available for me for the dimension is I can pick up the segment here and I can drop it here. So I will get three different dual combination charts. This is for consumer, this is for corporate, this is for home office. I can again pick up this from here and I can drop it in rows. So whatever orientation which you want, you can have it. Still, is there any other thing which I can do? Let's see. I can pick up one more dimension from here, category, and I'll drop it into the columns. So I'll get 9 different dual combination charts giving the trend line. So you can hover your mouse on any one of the combination chart and it will give you the category, the segment, the order date, the sales, and also the profit which is there. You have to just hover your mouse on this line chart and see, from sales it gets converted into the profit. So this is the way you can generate the dual combination charts in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos of Tableau. Please don't forget to press the like button.